Hi guys, my name is Gerald from Trading Waves and I welcome you guys to today's short video where we take a look at New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Right, so one can see that on this 4-hourly chart from this lows here, which would have been the March 2020 lows here, we've had what appears to be a bullish sequence to the upside since then, right? Now, we've had this move here to the upside and this move here, which appears to be correcting this move that preceded the correction itself, right? What we are expecting is for a continuation to the upsides to occur once this corrective structure is actually completed. Now, looking at this move here, we may have had what appears to be a 1, a 2, a 3, a possible 4 or 5, or we may have had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, 1, 2, 3, B, a C. It doesn't really matter much. What we expect is that after this move here, which appears to be a move to the upside, and that one, we expect a continuation there. One may also say this is a 1, 2, 3 W, that is an X and a Y, this being a W, that being an X in a larger degree, and that being a Y. It doesn't really matter. We know that the sequence is up to the upside since we've had a series of higher highs and higher lows, right? Now we're expecting more upside to come and break this peak here. The peak of, this would have been February the 25th, right? That peak there. We expect that this move, this current move here, should come and break there. But the question is this correction done? Especially if one looks at the fact that it has not reached, in terms of Fibonacci retracement, 100% equal leg area of what appears to be its internals here. And then the internals would have been these 3 waves here, 3, and then 3, and then 3. It missed 100% there by a small number of pips. The question is, are we expecting it to continue higher, or are we expecting more downside into the equal leg area here before we can see upside? All right, so that's one possibility. One possibility is that it can just trade higher from current levels, or it can go lower before going higher. Right, so let's take a look on the 1-hourly on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. We're going to take a look on the 1-hourly. From these lows here of what we propose in this view to be a wave 4, which hasn't reached 100% equal leg area here. And we propose that this is a wave 1 and that is a wave 2 into this blue box area. And we're expecting more upside for as long as this low holds. Okay. However, since this level here hasn't reached 100% equal leg of W and Y in the red degree, there's a possibility that it may just give us something like this as a 3-wave move to the upside before we get one more downside to break lower than this and into the equal leg area of WXY in red for wave 4 before we can see that move higher. However, if the pair just trades or continues to trade higher and breaks this peak here, then chances are that even though wave 4 internals have not reached 100% equal leg, it may have completed there, even though it is just short of 100% equal leg. All right. So which one of these possibilities is more likely? We factor in a few other elements, the use of the RSI, for instance, correlation with other pairs which are related to this particular instrument here, New Zealand US dollar, to determine as to which one of the two is the most likely, right? And if one wants to join us and become part of the family and be able to know which of these two possibilities is likely, one can join us by logging onto www.elliottwaveprinciple.com, that web address there, and this would be the landing page here. You'd see Trading Waves, right? And this is where we are. We'd be looking forward to welcoming you into the family soon. All right, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Cheers.